Yes, students. So once again, very good morning. So let's learn this wonderful poem that is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. But before going for the paraphrasing reading of the poem, here is something that I want you to think upon. Sometimes the choices we make have far-reaching consequences. जब हम कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं, जब कोई फैसला करते हैं, कई बार उनके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा गहरा उनका प्रभाव पड़ता है. Think about any 4 choices you make on daily basis. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत भारी भरकम choices है, simple ones that you make and the importance of these choices. I want you to think over those. 30 seconds are there, and then I want to hear from you what you have to say on this brainstorming activity. Your time starts now. Think over it. Think about the choices that you make on daily basis and the importance of these choices. Okay, I can see now the students are ready with their responses. Yes. So we have Vansh Duggal first here. Yes, Vansh Duggal, share your views. Vansh, Anjali.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like today, there's some marriage, so I don't want to go because I want to attend my classes. So there was a choice between them.
Please repeat what you have said. Your voice was not clearly audible to me. Please repeat.
When there's time to play and to do homework, then I choose to do homework.
Okay,
so as to clear the burden and all that.
Okay, so like you make decisions regarding not playing and choosing doing homework. So studies over games. Okay, okay. Yes, Vidya.
Ma'am, I had the same answer for studies over the playing and watching TVs and all.
So why these are important for you? Why the choice that you make?
It is very important for our studies so that we do not miss anything in our classes and all. And we attend all of our lectures on time so that we get good marks and results in our examination.
Okay, wonderful. Next, Kashish.
Ma'am, I choose to sleep early rather than watching TV or doing or enjoying, because it is important, because if I will sleep early, I'll be able to wake up early in the morning and attend the lectures.
Wonderful. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Good one. Yes, Siddhima.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, my choice is that we must eat healthy food instead of junk food, and I eat green vegetables to maintain my health and be healthy.
Of course, you should choose health over junk foods. Yes, good one. Narinder.
Oh, yes, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I chose to get up early at 6:30 in the morning and go for a morning run rather than sleeping late.
Good one. Very good. Ravnoor.
Instead of watching entertainment videos, I will choose not videos that give us knowledge.
Okay. मैं चाहती हूँ आप अपनी बातें दिल से बोलो, ठीक है ना? Just not just to make me happy कि मैम को हम अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताएं. You can always share openly what you feel about a particular thing. Okay. चलिए, let me take the last answer. We have here Amrit, roll number 34. Amrit, you have joined now. We are discussing on this question that Every day, on daily basis, you make certain choices in your life. So talk about any one choice that you feel is important for you. Amrit, unmute and tell me what you think about it.
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I used to go for cycling.
Okay, you choose cycling
Yes.
over what?
Ma'am,
हाँ,
ma'am, what were you saying?
किस चीज को आप इग्नोर करके आप साइकिलिंग को चूज करते हो? क्यों साइकिलिंग चूज
Ma'am,
करते हो?
using of mobile phones, TVs.
Okay, so instead of
After
playing
waking
on
up.
mobile phones, yes, you choose to do cycling. Chaliye, wonderful answers. So see, even your kids, till you are making decisions, you are making simple choices in your life which do affect, right? So consequences, if you don't discipline yourself in life, of course, the consequences are far reaching because it affects you in an adverse manner. So as a student, it is important that you learn the importance of self-discipline in your life. But activity yahi khatam nahi hoti hai. There is one more slide. Complete the web chart showing choices and decisions you may have to make in the next few years. Up 9th mein ho abhi. 10th mein jaoge, then you have to decide for your career. What you are going to opt for, kya aapne padhna hai, kya banna hai. Final decisions aap lete ho. So kya factors hain that is the factors that are going to affect your choices. 3 मैंने दिए यहाँ पर ऑप्शन दे दिए आपको. फ्रेंड्स हैं, इंटरेस्ट है, पेरेंट्स है. कई बार पीयर प्रेशर होता है that you change your decision. Sometimes you choose what you want in your life, that is depending on your interest. Sometimes pressure is there from parents. What else affect your choices? Let me hear from you. I give you 30 seconds to think again. Ponder over these choices. क्या फैक्टर्स हैं जो आपकी चॉइसेस को अफेक्ट करते हैं? एंड आई वांट आर्यन, प्लीज अनम्यूट एंड आंसर. कोई एक फैक्टर आप बताओगे, कोई भी एक, अदर देन द 3 मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर. आर्यन, आर यू देयर? सचित, why you people don't participate? Pragya, Pragya is also not there, I guess, or you are not willing to answer. Gurkamal Dosanjh, Gurkamal, are you there? Please unmute and tell what you think about it. आपकी choices पर किन किन चीजों का असर हो सकता है? Aryan was out. Okay. Okay, let me then take Shrey Thapar. Yes, beta, share your views. Shrey.
One of the determining factors of our choices is also the economic condition of the family.
Financial condition, are you talking about? Or
Yes,
cultural
ma'am.
background? Financial condition. Okay, good one. Of course, many a time it is seen that because of some financial reasons, you are tend to take choices which you actually don't want to go for. So, okay, yes, of course, a good point added by Shrey Thapar. Next, Salil. Gurkamal, you can share your views. You unmuted yourself. If you have something to add here, you can always share. Yes, Gurkamal, you unmuted yourself. Salil, you can add, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one that ma'am, there are economical status and this, and other is the financial status, and other is the surrounding status. Like if there is some other disease like corona in the future.
You're talking about diseases, surroundings. Okay.
Like if there this education system changed, ma'am,
Okay.
like how we are studying now would be the future of next students.
Okay, that means the factors that affect your education, depending on that, like there is a change in the education system, the NEP 2020. which is going to bring a huge change in Indian education system. So that way, of course, your choices can depend upon the decisions, the political and other decisions taken by the organizations, the authorities. Okay, so economic and financial conditions जो है दोनों same चीज को refer करते हैं. Yes, Anshika. Anshika?
Yes, ma'am. And our choices will depend on our skills also.
Skills, yes, wonderful. Talents, the abilities, it depends on that as well. आपकी जो choices हैं, अगर आप डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हो, सपोज सिंगर बनना चाहते हो, बट अगर आपको में वो सिंगिंग एबिलिटी नहीं है तो आप वो बन नहीं सकते. So अगर आप में वो एबिलिटी है, you can always become a good singer. So that way the skill, the talent matters a lot there. Of course, that also is a determining factor. Next, yes, there were some hands, more hands raised. Okay, Sahib Singh. Yes, Vita Sahib.
Ma'am, availability of resources. Like if I want to become a coder, I need a computer.
Okay, good one. Availability of resources. Vidya, what is your opinion?
Ma'am, it also depends on our past performance, like how we have performed in our earlier classes. On that basis also we choose our career. On our experiences and on performances.
Yes, past performances. पिछली क्लास में आप कैसे थे, किस सब्जेक्ट में आप अच्छा स्कोर कर रहे हो. So it gives you a hint that how you can perform in future and what you can opt for in future. Ishita, आपने भी hand raise किया था. Yes, बेटा. Ishita.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, the choices can also depend on our thinking, that how we think, and if we think positive, we can if we can do better than negativity.
Yes, of course, you're thinking, so you should be positive enough. You should have that confidence, whatever decision you take. Sometimes क्या होता है लाइफ में, हम जो सोचते हैं वैसा होता नहीं है, है ना? So हमें उस चीज को अपनाना पड़ता है जो हमारे सामने है. So that way you should be confident enough. You should be positive to take up that the way it comes to you, right? Okay. So I've got wonderful answers from you people, and I really admire the way you participate in the discussions. Thank you all for participating. I want to see more participation from your side. So see how we get. So these were some of the responses that I have written, and you have also given more different varieties. So society का भी असर होता है कि आस पड़ोस क्या कहेंगे, culture, आपका जो cultural background है, then the talent and abilities, economic condition. Of course, these factors determine your, or you can say affect the choices and decisions that you want to take in your life. Wonderful, all of you. So the poem that we are going to read today, The Road Not Taken, it also deals with this kind of thought, you know, that how life throws up many alternatives, many opportunities, many choices. And then what happens is we also face the dilemma, right? Now the spelling is D-I-L-E-M-M-A. Please don't pronounce it as dilemma. बहुत से बच्चे इसे गलत pronunciation करते हैं. The pronunciation is dilemma, right? So dilemma होती है confusion. जब आपके पास बहुत सारी choice आ जाती हैं, opportunities आ जाती हैं, you face the difficulty of taking a decision. Sometimes you are actually lured by all the choices. You feel, okay, this one is also good, that one is also good, let me take both. But you know what happens is, being an individual, you cannot take up all the choices, right? And thus, how when we take up any choice, when we make a correct decision, whether it is correct or incorrect, we have to face the consequences. So it is important that we take wise decisions, because once we take decision and once we start moving on to that path, we cannot turn back, and we have to move on without looking back. So thus, on our decisions depends our future. हमारे decisions पर हमारा future निर्भर करता है. इसलिए जब भी decision लेने की बात आए, choices को consider करने की बात आए, take some time, रुको वहां पर, think over that matter, take a cautious approach, and then make a right choice there, right? So just introspect on this part also. Have you made choices that are acceptable and less risky? You can just answer me in yes or no. क्या आपने किया है जो आपको लगता है कि इजीली एक्सेप्टेबल था, रिस्क कम था? yes or no? Or are you going to choose a career of your choice? You can think over it, yes or no. क्या आप अपने पेरेंट्स की बात मानोगे या आप अपने हिसाब से अपना करियर चुनोगे? And do you think decisions matter a lot with future perspective? क्या ये फैसले जो हैं हमारे फ्यूचर को अफेक्ट करते हैं? तो फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव को ध्यान में रखते हुए क्या ये डिसीजंस मैटर करते हैं? So you need to think over that, and that is why it is important that when we make choice, we should first think on all the aspects of the consequences. कि अगर मैं ये डिसीजन लेता हूँ तो आगे चल के मुझे क्या क्या फेस करना पड़ सकता है? क्या ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है, क्या ये मेरे लिए बुरा है, क्या इसमें मुझे तरक्की मिलेगी? So it is important that you think before you make a decision, right, beta? So this poem, The Road Not Taken, it is written by the author Robert Frost. His full name is Robert Lee Frost. He was an American poet, and he is highly regarded for his realistic depictions of rural life and nature in objective form. रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की पोएम में आपको बहुत डीप इंसाइट मिलेगी, गहरी थिंकिंग दिखाई देगी, एंड स्पेशली द वे ही चूजेस नेचर इन ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म. ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म का मतलब है how he symbolically refers to various aspects of nature. Why I'm saying this, you will understand once we discuss the poem, The Road Not Taken. Robert Frost, he was honored frequently during his lifetime. Because of his creative works, he received 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry. अपनी कविताओं के लिए उनको 4 बार पुलित्जर प्राइज से नवाजा गया. And he was also awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetical work. A great author, a great poet who wrote the poems which actually are a life lessons for us. So this poem, The Road Not Taken. Road is the symbol of choice made by us in life. ये जो road है, ये किस चीज की symbolic है? Choices that we get in our life. Many times we regret the choice we make, but what is done once cannot be undone. Man regrets for what he has denied himself in life rather than what he has chosen. अक्सर हम देखते हैं कि जो लोग हैं, जो उन्होंने खो दिया या जो उनके पास नहीं है, वो उस पर रोते रहते हैं, बजाय ये देखने के कि क्या उनके पास है, क्या उन्होंने चूज किया है, और जो चूज किया है उसी पर उसको सक्सेसफुल करें. The word road here, it not only means the way. In its extended metaphor, it refers to the journey, stages of journey of life. What is a metaphor? Parth, mute yourself. So what is a metaphor? That I will explain as I start with the poem, right? It also means the journey. So this road, it has been used as an extended metaphor. Journey of life, various stages of life. So it does not just signify an ordinary road, but functions a metaphor for all the vital decisions taken by our life. So metaphor क्या होता है? Metaphor कहते हैं जब हम किसी एक क्वालिटी, किसी एक चीज की क्वालिटी को दूसरे से कंपेयर करते हैं. जैसे मैं कहूँ I am a gardener. जब मैं अपने आप को गार्डनर कहती हूँ, क्या वाकई में मैं गार्डनर हूँ? No. I am a teacher, but I am like a gardener. कैसे? जैसे गार्डनर जो है प्लांट्स को नर्चर करता है, प्लांट्स की टेक केयर करता है, वैसे ही I try to nurture my students. I try to take care about future of my students by giving them appropriate guidance in their life. So when I say I am a North Star, North Star क्या करता है? हमेशा नॉर्थ की दिशा दिखाता है. So that way I am a North Star. That means I am using metaphor here. I am comparing myself to the North Star directly, right? So this way road has been taken as an extended metaphor. ये सिर्फ एक शब्द नहीं है road, इसको जोड़ा गया है जर्नी से, लाइफ की जर्नी से. क्यों? क्योंकि लाइफ में बहुत सारे चॉइसेस आते हैं. So symbolically road किसको रेफर करता है? Choices in life. And this road has also been taken as a metaphor here which signifies the journey of life. तो poet इस पर क्या कहते हैं? The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. So कई बार ऐसा होता है that we are not able to choose a path, a certain path, because we decide on to move to the next one. So the path that is left behind is the road not taken. And in this poem, he describes his feelings about the choice that he had left in the past. The path which we have chosen decides our future and our destination. He highlights this concept through this poem, The Road Not Taken. And thus the important message that the poet wants to give is that the choice that we make has an impact on our future. And if we make a wrong choice, we regret it, but cannot go back on it. So we must be wise while making our choices. So what is exactly the summary of the poem? This poem talks about the choices one has to make in life and their consequences. So one day while walking in a wooded area full of trees, the poet comes to a place where he has to decide which road he should take, because he comes to the point of a divergence, जहाँ पर road दो हिस्सों में divide हो रही है. He starts debating over the choices as he realizes he cannot walk on both. Why? Because being an individual, he cannot walk simultaneously on both the roads. However, he decides to take the second path with the intention of traveling on the first some other time in future. So let's read the poem stanza wise and let's do the paraphrasing. Let's understand this poem. So here it goes. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now the poet, he was going on his way. He was on to a journey and he comes across a peculiar situation. What was the peculiar situation? He faced a divergence. Two roads diverged. Diverged means branched off, forked into two. दो हिस्सों में रास्ता बट गया. In a yellow wood. Now see this yellow wood. What is it referring to? It is referring to the forest in the autumn season with the leaves fallen and decomposed on the ground. So what is this yellow wood? It refers to the forest in the autumn season. Yellow wood. Woods जो होता है word use किया जाता है forest के लिए, जंगल के लिए. Wood का मतलब लकड़ी भी होता है. So यहाँ पर again एक metaphor है yellow wood, which is actually wood is being compared to the forest. Yellow wood means a forest in autumn season. So यहाँ poet क्या कहते हैं? That as he was going on the road, he faced a divergence there and he was in dilemma. The forest was full of yellow leaves. As it was autumn season, the leaves have fallen on the ground and they have started decomposing on the ground. And he regrets. Sorry, I could not travel both. Why he says so? He says that being one traveler, as he was an individual, वो एक इंसान, अकेला इंसान individual था और वो दो रास्तों पर एक साथ नहीं चल पा रहा था, चल सकता भी नहीं था. So being an individual, he could not travel on both the roads simultaneously. तो वो क्या करते हैं? Long I stood. The poet stood there and he took a cautious approach. Cautious approach मतलब ध्यान से उन दोनों रास्तों को वो देखने लगे. So he took a cautious approach to make the right choice and looked down as far as I could. झुककर वो उस रास्ते को देखने लगे. देखिए दो रास्ता जो है ये दो हिस्सों में बटा हुआ है. And the poet, he stood there. This is the point of divergence where he stood. And he started looking at both the roads. और कहां तक देखा? To where it bent in the undergrowth. Bent क्या कहते हैं? जो मोड़ है, जो curved path था. देखिए आगे जाकर path मुड़ गया है ना? No longer the path could be seen from here. So here he says that long I stood there. बहुत देर तक मैं वहां खड़ा रहा और मैं क्या करता रहा, मैं देखता रहा. Look down one as far as I could. बहुत देर तक मैं उस रास्ते को देखता रहा, दूर तक देखता रहा जहां तक मेरी नजर जा सकती थी. कहां तक? To where it bent in the undergrowth. अंडरग्रोथ कहते हैं जो थिकेट्स होती हैं, झाड़ियां जो होती हैं, श्रब्स हैं, हर्ब्स हैं. आप देखो रास्ते में कितने सारे पेड़ पौधे हैं और इन झाड़ियों के बीच वो रास्ता छुप सा गया है. देखो एक पॉइंट पर आगे वो रास्ता नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. सो पोएट वहां पर खड़े हो जाते हैं and he started observing both the roads. So he looked down one as far as I could. एक रास्ते को वो काफी देर तक देखते रहे so that he could make the right choice to when it bent in the undergrowth. Then वो आगे क्या कहते हैं? Then took the other just as fair, having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. So poet क्या क्या कहते हैं? After long deliberations, after great deliberation, deliberation means सोचना. काफी देर तक सोचने के बाद वो क्या तय करते हैं? Took the other just as fair. Just as fair means I looked at the other road, decided to take that other road because it seemed to me equally promising, having perhaps the better claim. So it felt, the poet felt as if the road, the other road was inviting him. It was more promising, more challenging. So just as fair refers to equally promising than the first one. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Grassy, आप देख सकते हो ये जो दूसरा रास्ता है काफी घास है. इस पर कम लोगों ने ट्रैवल किया है, ऑल्दो लोग यहाँ से गुजरे हैं, बट पहले रोड से ज्यादा लोग नहीं गुजरे हैं यहाँ से, क्योंकि अभी भी उस पर काफी घास है. एंड इट वांटेड वेयर. वांटेड वेयर मींस वो चाहता था कि लोग उस पर ट्रैवल करें, बिकॉज लेस नंबर ऑफ पीपल दे हैड ट्रॉडन ओवर दैट रोड, ट्रैवल्ड बाय दैट रोड. सो ही सेड because it was grassy and wanted wear. That means it was inviting people so that they can travel on that road. Though as for that, the passing there, here that is refers to the first road. जिस पहले रोड को उन्होंने देखा था, ऑब्जर्व किया था, वो क्या कहते हैं? The passing there had worn them really about the same. So वो क्या कहते हैं कि when he saw the first road again, good number of people had walked over the other road too. दोनों ही रास्ते ज्यादा फर्क नहीं था. जो दूसरा रास्ता था उस पर कम लोगों ने ट्रैवल किया था, और जो पहला रास्ता था, though as for that the passing there means he is referring to the people who have already traveled. वो क्या कहते हैं? had worn them really about the same. Worn them here refers to कि उस रास्ते पर काफी लोगों के कदमों के निशान हैं. A good number of people have trodden on that road, traveled by that road. Right, students? So now as the meeting is going to get over, so it's better that I take a pause here. We will resume the poem tomorrow in the next class, right?